Welcome to Eating Well with Chrystal. We all know home cooking is important if you want to eat healthy. But what if you don't know how to cook? You also need to eat a lot of different foods to absorb different nutrients for your body's needs. But how can you include as many foods as you can in one meal without overeating? If you're trying to lose weight, but also want to live longer, no matter what diet you're on, you cannot go around veggies and fruits. And no matter how lucky you are in your 20s and 30s, you can eat whatever you want and not gaining weight. If you want to spend your later life to play with your grandkids, travel around the world, you should start to eat veggies and fruits as soon as you can. I've learned this in the hard way. When I was diagnosed with breast cancer and got my first high blood pressure measurement in my late 30s, it was quite shocking. These things you think will not happen until you are in your 50s or 60s can come to your life way earlier than you expected. As I recover and commit to a sustainable lifestyle, eating healthy and exercise regularly, the books I read, the research I did, all the experts, doctors, nutritionists, emphasize on the importance of eating veggies and fruits. Still reluctantly eating lettuce twice a week and wonder why you're not losing weight and feel weak? Today's video will give you a shortcut on what you can do to eat healthy, eat full, and stay fit. After all, mastering what you can put in your mouth, you have 80% chance to maintain a healthy weight in the long run. In today's video, I want to show you how I put 30 ingredients in one plate that is so rich in nutrients and so simple to make. It's also very delicious to eat. You don't have to learn how to cook to eat healthy. You just need to learn how to look for the right items in your next grocery shopping trip. You can have the healthiest meal on the planet to help you lose more weight and also take your health up to the next level. Now let's get into it. The first step of preparing this 30 ingredients in one plate is to prepare the leafy green. This is the foundation of the meal. Vegetables are the healthiest food on the planet. Low GI index, low calories, high nutrients. You don't even have to wash it. Buy this leafy green mix box in almost every grocery store. Fresh, triple washed, and conveniently mixed, ready to serve. It includes 10 plus leafy green items such as green chard, lala rosa, roadkill, red chard, red romaine, and other power greens, which provides 45% of your daily needs of vitamin A, 20% of iron, and 50% of vitamin C. I also added another 2 singular superhero greens, spinach and arugula. Other cruciferous veggies such as broccoli, kale, cabbage are good choices too. The leafy greens are the bedrock of your good health to protect you from all kinds of life-threatening disease and prevent you from taking in excessive calories and unhealthy fats. Grab a handful from each box and cut them into bite size and put in a bowl. The next step is to add colorful veggies. Today I have carrots, yellow grape tomatoes, and red grape tomatoes, and red onions. Let's be honest, green veggies don't taste that good. Bitter, bland, if you had to describe it. That's why kids don't like veggies. Even for adults, eat the same boring, tasteless veggies every day can be very challenging. Let's look at these colorful vegetables. Orange-colored carrots are rich in vitamin A and C, very good for your eyes. Red tomatoes symbolize your heart and promote artery health. Bright yellow color indicates its high amount of antioxidant, which is good for your skin. The purple-colored onion will improve your bone health. They all have mild sweetness to offset the bitter taste of the green veggies. Cut them into small pieces, then add into the green veggie mix. The step 3. Add fruits to power up the taste. Today my kitchen happens to have the purple grapes, pears, and the golden kiwis. Our taste buds naturally favor the sweet. That's why sugar is added to almost everything to enhance the taste. But the highly processed sugar products not just give you the sweet taste, but aging your skin, cause insulin resistance, leak your gut, overexcite your brain, damage your heart and joints. While the fruits, their natural sweetness is combined with loads of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant compounds, which will reduce your risk of developing heart disease, cancer, inflammation, and diabetes. They also make your salad taste delicious. Stock up a consistent fruit supply in your kitchen. Eat directly or add to your salad or any other meals is the simplest way to eat healthy. Now cut everything into bite size and add into the veggie mix. My next step is to add nuts and seeds as the toppings. If vegetables and fruits provide a solid base of nutrient-dense meal, nuts and seeds will provide the protein and unsaturated fats your body needs with its rich amount of fiber, phytochemicals, vitamins, and minerals. What I have in my kitchen is the Nature Source salad topper, which includes sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and dried cranberries. The omega-3 salad topping includes walnuts, almonds, and pistachios. I also stock up hemp seeds, which is very good for any salad and smoothies, chia seeds, and ground flax seeds. Simply add 1 to 2 spoons of every type of the nuts and seeds. You have your daily protein in check, which is very important for your bones, muscles, skins, and blood. Now comes to the last step, dressing. This is the cherry on top to take your salad bowl to the next level. One of my favorite dressing is avocado. Avocado is the natural, nutrition-rich, heart-healthy fruit. What makes it special is it contains healthy monounsaturated fat. It's creamy, flavorful, and goes with almost everything. This mini pack I got only has mild salt added in, which is perfect for this salad. To finish up, I add 2 spoons Italian dressing, which consists of the water, vinegar, and a blend of numerous herbs and spices. Mix everything together. Grab a bite. Every spoon contains mixed natural flavors and tons of nutrients your body needs to get you through your day. Since I'm currently doing 16 to 8 intermittent fasting, which means I eat 2 meals a day in 8-hour eating windows. This big salad bowl is my first meal of the day. I also add my black coffee or drink the plant-based milk, plus a piece of toasted whole grain bread. No matter how busy I am, how lazy I am, this is the meal I will not skip. It clears out the plaque in the artery, lowers the blood pressure, stabilizes the blood sugar. The combination of 30 ingredients in one bowl, you can switch and swap easily, provides complete nutrient profile to support your body to function in its best state. This is how you prevent those modern lifestyle disease, heart attack, diabetes, obesity, and cancer, which caused by those tasting good processed food you see everywhere. Compared to the medical costs that could be involved in treating all different disease and the symptoms to barely help you survive. Finding the cheapest, healthiest ingredients in your grocery store and start to eat healthy is the smartest choice you can make today. I hope this video can inspire you to add more healthy food, veggies, fruits, nuts, seeds, herbs, and spice to your daily diet to eat well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get more healthy eating videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get more healthy eating videos.